Jaime's the type of dude who licks his fingers before turning a page on his iPad? Like, seriously? Jaime's English is more faster than Apple's A12 Bionic. I know. Whatever. Pixel 3 is more disappointing than my life choices. Oh my god, dude, really? That bad? That's right, it's that time of the week. I'm Jaime Rivera, this is Pocketnow, and this is the Pocketnow Daily Recap, your comments for last week. So on Monday, the topic was the OnePlus 6T. The company made their event date official, and I asked you if you were looking forward to it. We have 300 comments. The OnePlus 6T will be my first OnePlus smartphone, and I'm extremely excited for it. Let's hope it doesn't end up being my last. Yeah, definitely, I remember the time when I didn't try the OnePlus 1 or the 2. I didn't really care about them, and then the 3 came out, and I didn't care about that. Then the 3T came, and I reviewed that, and then it's been all uphill from there. They've done a really good job. If the OnePlus 6T is on T-Mobile like the rumors have stated, I will be getting one. If not, I'm going for the Note 9. Wow, dude, that is an insane price jump. But yeah, I mean, you're entitled to pick whatever works for you. Both phones are definitely comparable. OnePlus is my Apple. No matter what they release, I'm buying. I know a lot of people that have that level of fandom, and that's good. I mean, there are certain brands that deserve the support. And then on Tuesday, the topic was Huawei, and the fact that it was being teased that the Mate 20 Pro is the fastest phone ever, even if in benchmarks it wasn't faster than the iPhone XS. I asked you if you were looking forward to this product. We had 370 comments. I just don't want to pay $1,000+ for a phone. Yeah, that price tag on the Mate 20 Pro was tough. Can't wait for the Mate 20 Pro. Dude, I felt the same way when I was briefed, and now that I have one, that I've been playing with one, oh my god, what can I say? It really lives up to a ton of things, but it's not the perfect device like every single one out there. Mate 20 Pro is looking tasty with UD fingerprint scanner, 3 cameras. I think it's going to be my next phone. Not only that, man, it's not just what it has, but what it can do with all these things combined. I'll keep you posted on my review. And then on Wednesday, the topic was polarizing. We talked about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 probably being the first device from Sammy that would kill the headphone jack.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I asked you how important it is for you to, how do you feel about the company doing this? We had 820 comments. Samsung needs to put in a high quality DAC variant tuned by AKG in next year's phones and leave the headphone jack alone. I believe that's already in. Surely it doesn't have the bitrate of other DACs that we've seen from companies like LG, but it's a really good one. I still don't see the need for companies to kill the 3.5mm headphone jack. What did it do to you? Have you forsaken our headphone, whatever, brethren? I don't know, man. A lot of companies are using it with the excuse that it's old, that it's analog, that, you know, that you need extra space and that they want to fit it with battery. To a certain degree, I'm like, all right, fine, tell you what. If you tell me that USB-C takes up less space, why don't you just give me 2 ports? And fine, I'll make the move to a USB-C jack. I just don't want 1 port on my phone. That's my problem. I've been saying it for a while now. If these phones are going to get rid of the headphone jack, make sure Bluetooth headphones for free. Yes, I would definitely agree with that, and that's interesting because you can find some really affordable options online, and I mean, they could come up with something not so good, but then you have the option of buying something more expensive if you do, or I wish that were optional when you buy the product. We include this, but we'll give you a discount with the buying this phone for the headphones. That would be great. Then on Thursday, the topic was the iPhone XR. There were speculations that there was going to be huge demand from China. I asked you if you were anticipating it. We had 572 comments. iPhone XR, 720p in 2018. Nope, definitely a nope. Yeah, I can't wait to pay 879 euros for a 64GB XR and get less than a full HD LCD display. I have to, dude, I totally agree. I don't know. I'm not saying it's a bad phone. I'm just saying, wow, man, really that much money for that little? Waiting for the holidays, then making a choice for phones. Too much variety right now. Definitely, man. Techtober or Phonetober or whatever you want to call it has been insane, but really great offerings. It's great to have competition, but yeah, I would rather wait. You'll probably get some good deals. And then on Friday, finally, I asked you one more time, are you excited about the OnePlus 6T? There were teasers of a UI redesign, and we had 360 comments. I'm still kind of bummed that I won't have a headphone jack. I'm still excited for the OnePlus 6T. I hope they add stereo speakers. I seriously hope so too. They needed that, and I definitely don't like the death of the headphone jack. They've come with some reasons for that, but God, why? I'm looking forward to the OnePlus 6. I'll be in the New York launch. You mean the 6T? And yes, I will be at the event as well, so make sure you say hi. 6T plus T-Mobile, take my money. Oh my God. So I did some testing with the OnePlus 6 on T-Mobile, and even with a phone that wasn't really tuned for T-Mobile, it did great, so I can't imagine a phone that now is. We'll see. That's it for the Pocketnow Daily Recap. Thank you very much for watching. If you want your comments to be featured, keep them short, stick to the point, and try to get some thumbs up. It helps us spot them a lot easier. You can also follow us on social media. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.